Hi everyone, this question will help you to understand the margin or the markup better in business. Let's read the question. A merchant sells a suitcase for 82 dirhams. His margin is 35% of the selling price. The first part, what is the buying cost? Let's look at the facts given in the question. The question gives you the selling price, 82 dirhams, and the question gives you the margin as a percentage of the selling price. In other words, the margin makes 35% of SP. Now, before we get the buying cost, we need to calculate the margin itself. So, let's use the facts given. So, M is making 35% of SP. Now, put the numbers in this formula. M is equal to, change the percentage into a decimal number, easier to your calculations. Of means times, SP is given as 82. Then use your calculator. Simple calculation will give you the value of the margin M. M is just 28.70 dirhams. Now once we calculated the margin, we can proceed to calculate the buying cost. So we know that the margin is the difference between SP and BC. M is the difference between the selling price and the buying cost. Now put the numbers in this formula. We know what is the margin. It is 28.70 equals SP. We know SP is 82 dirhams minus BC. With simple calculation, we can get BC as 82, take away the margin value 28.70. And then this will give you BC in the end as 53.30 dirhams only. So once we got the buying cost, we answered the first part. And let's proceed to the second, please. The second part of the question asks you, what is the rate of margin based on the buying cost? In other words, write the margin as a percentage of the buying cost to the nearest percent. So the margin as a percentage of the buying cost is equal to M over BC into 100. This is the percentage of the margin based on the buying cost, which we call usually MBC. Usually when you calculate any rates, you just put the amount over your buying cost, is my original now, times 100. Put the numbers, put the values of the margin and the buying cost into the formula, multiply by 100, then your calculation will give you the margin is equal to 54% of the buying cost. And this is the end of the question. Hope it's clear.